Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to share your live location on your Android device. So we will learn in this video guys. So for this guys, first you need to open your Google Map on your device. After opening here, you can get the one option, blue option, location option. As you can see, just you need to tap on this option and it will locate your exact location where you are in present, as you can see. So now if you want to share your live location, just you need to tap on your live location like this one time, and here you can get the option share your location. Just tap on it, and from here you can easily able to share your live location on WhatsApp, Facebook, Telegram, messages. As you can see, lots of option you can get. So here you can also get some more option like how many hours you want to share your location for, 1 hours, 2 hours. From here you can increase that duration, as you can see. So that's it for today guys. It's a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, so please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.